Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to see what are EMAs. Let's get into the directly into the presentation without any further delay. So what are EMAs? So EMAs stand for exponential moving average. They are average which indicate the average price of any asset over given period of time. Most commonly they are used as a line on a graph. So when there is a candlestick chart or bar chart, they are used as a line. I think many of you would have seen them. So in this video further we will also be covering how to use them, which are the best ones to use, and if you have any other doubt you can just comment me in the comment section. Okay, so examples, like for example 21-day moving average will show the average price of the asset over 21 days. And remember here guys, we are referring to exponential moving average, not simple moving average or any other moving average. Here we are referring to exponential moving average, which are considered as one of the best moving averages. So without any further delay, let's get into the point. So which are best EMAs? Most commonly used EMAs are 21 period, 50 period and 200 period EMAs. How to use them is the further point. 21 and 50 moving average are used for creating a buy or sell signal. So how do you create them? We'll see in the further slides as well. So first, buy. When 21 days EMA crosses 50-day EMA on upper side, it is a buy signal. Sell. When 21 days EMA crosses 50-day EMA on lower side, it is a sell signal. If you aren't clear, further slide will make it clear for you. So as you can see now, buy when 21 days EMA crosses 50-day EMA on upper side. As you can see, the blue line is the 21-day moving average and the yellow line is the 50-day moving average. So when the 21-day moving average is crossing the 50-day moving average from the lower side, it is indicating a buy signal. That is where you have to buy that asset. Sell when 21 days EMA crosses 50-day EMA on lower side. Now same position is just reversed. The 21-day moving average, exponential moving average, is crossing it on the lower side, like from upper side to lower side, to the 50 moving average. And remember guys, whichever strategy you follow, if you haven't seen my previous video which talks about risk reward management, go and make sure you see it. I will add the link in the description box. There I have given, if you have a good strategy, how can you make it very easily profitable by following a simple trick. These simple tricks and like some simple tweaks to your strategies or your trading style helps a lot to improve your trading performance. So you can go and see that video. I'll add the link in the description. So that is how you have to trade. If you want, you can have a screenshot of this screen and refer it whenever you want. It is very simple guys, not at all complicated. Even if you find any difficulty, you can make sure you comment in the comment box and I will definitely answer your questions. So why do we have 200 days moving average? Let's just go back. Here we saw 21, 50 and 200. Now we got to know what 21 and 50 do. So what is the use of 200? Let's get back here. Now 200 days moving average is for long-term support or resistance. Now further, this is one strategy which I am going to share with you right now. Just listen to it very carefully. This part is very important. So first of all, let's start with the strategy. You will apply 200 days equivalent moving exponential moving average on your charts, and then if the asset is trading below the 200 days exponential moving average, then what you will do is you will find search for selling opportunities. So you will search where 21 days EMA is crossing 50 days EMA on the lower side, and as soon as you find that such type of any condition, then you can go for a short trade on that side. Why? Because being below 200 days EMA gives a more weaker sign, and it confirms when you sell, it gives you a more greater edge to the trade that you have taken. Same reverse, if the stock is about 200 days moving average and you find for a buying opportunity that is 21 days moving average is crossing up on the upper side, you can go for a buy. It will definitely prove better than just normal trading. So you got these two conditions right now in one strategy. Do make sure, if you if you want to see once again, just go back, take this video 20-30 seconds back and rehear that again once again, the same concept, and you will get a clear idea about what has to be done. Now that you have learned everything that was supposed to be learned by you as an EMA, you can practice yourself and learn this strategy and make yourself a profitable trader. Now, even if you have any other question, query, or you want to discuss upon any topic, even not related to EMA but related to the markets, anything, you can just ask me like whenever you want in the comment section. I will definitely answer, and if the topic is big and everyone wants a video, I will definitely make a video over that. Expect your support to me, so make sure you subscribe the channel and leave a like for this video. Thank you very much.